Hello. Today we are going to talk about timeshare owners. There are two types of timeshare owners. One type loves their timeshare, and the other is completely frustrated. The type who love their timeshare is either getting good travel usage out of it or is renting it out, while the frustrated owner typically has these symptoms. Symptom 5. You never want to pay anything up front. I mean anything. You absolutely hate vending machines because you're forced to pay up front, and you think the vending machine will try to make you join a travel club. Whoever's standing next has absolutely no clue as to what you're talking about. Symptom 4. You don't trust anybody at all. You begin to lose trust in reality. Whoa! You begin to feel as if you don't even know what's real. You actually splash water on your face to see if you're still alive. Symptom 3. You're totally convinced that everybody wants to sell you something. You hung up the phone on your own grandmother because you thought she was going to try to upsell you into a bigger timeshare. Your grandmother doesn't even know what a timeshare is. Symptom 2. The curling into a shell position. You're so sick and tired of the constant phone calls from scam-likely predator timeshare companies that when you hear the phone ring, you immediately curl up into a shell. This is your protected zone. No pushy sales guys, just a safe place for you to stay in forever. But wait, what about when you need to eat or take a shower? Maybe we should think this one through, huh? The last and final symptom of being a frustrated timeshare owner is a feeling of nausea with a splash of dizziness, some anger, and confusion all added into one feeling. This moment usually comes when the frustrated timeshare owner finally takes a look at their credit card statement, sees how much has been taken out for their timeshare, and compares it to the amount of time that they have actually used. Talk about an aha moment. This is more like an moment if you ask me. Well, let's explain who we are and how we can help you. We are TimeshareRenters.com. Timeshare Renters is a travel service group who has clients who rent out their timeshares for passive income. Many of these clients are doing so well that they periodically ask if we know anybody looking to hand over their timeshare. If you'd like your timeshare shown exclusively to individuals who are simply looking to take over a timeshare, then we would love to talk to you. Generally, these people who take over would like for the timeshare to be paid off, meaning no outstanding mortgage. So if you simply want to get out of your timeshare and your timeshare is paid off, we would love to talk to you and explain how our service works. This service will cost you way less than paying one of those exit companies. I mean, way less. So whether you're a timeshare owner and you'd like to rent out any of your unused time, or if you'd like to just get out of your timeshare, go to timesharerenters.com/appointment or click the link in the description area to make an appointment to a dedicated travel guide. Keep in mind that appointments are set in Eastern Standard Time.